Good morning guys. Whatever what time, anong oras diyan sa inyong lugar. I'm here again from Casey Nova channel. This is Chef Casey. I'm going to make scratch dressing. Maggagawa tayo ng dressing ngayon para sa salad ko. Lemon, no. Lime dressing. Lime dressing, okay? Tingnan niyo ako paano magawa ng scratch, from scratch. Dali ha. Dali, kay walang cameraman eh. Kita nyo? Kita nyo? Okay. Gagawa tayo. Nagawa ko ng isang order lang o para mga 5 order. Primero, itong egg yolk. This is my base. And then oil. Okay. Lagyan mo ng towel o paper towel para hindi mag-slide. Okay? While you're mixing, use hand. Kabilang kamay mo, nandito sa kabila. Okay? Tandaan lang. Kung magmalapot na masyado, you can add more water. Just a little bit of water to make it thinner. Oh, no, not water. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Nakita nyo? This is it. Nakita nyo. So guys, not lime dressing, balsamic, vinaigrette dressing, okay? Vinaigrette dressing. Kita ko siya. Itong lahat na dressing, this is the base, itong pinaka body. Paggawa nyo ng maski anong klaseng dressing. Itong ako magawa ko ng you can buy make a balsamic dressing, lime dressing, lemon dressing, but itong itong base niyo, okay? Pag malapot na, you can add more. Then a little bit of vinegar because I'm making a vinegar dressing. Okay, kita mo yan. And then, you're gonna put the oil. Little by little, the oil. And damihan po yata ng ito na. Dahil malapot na naman, Magagawla ko ng maliit na portion, kaya mga tatlong salad lang gagawin ko mamaya. Okay. Kaya yan. Taste. Okay. Tandaan lang ang oil, Kung magagawa ka ng malaking batch, 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 10 gallon, ganito lang paggawa. Tandaan lang. Okay, you're making a vinegar dressing. This is my Chef Casey version. This is my base. I'm making a base. Maraming dressing pa ang gagawin ko. So many kind of different kind of dressing that I will show you guys. Okay. This is the one. Then, you're gonna add a vinegar to make it loosen. to make closing your dressing. Okay, more oil. Ang salad ko, ang dressing niya on the side only, okay? On the side only. Did you see this, the dressing? Creamy. Look like creamy, okay? Yun lang ang pag ano. Yun lang paggawa. Ayan pa natin kunti. Then you're gonna add more oil. Make more. Just little by little, okay? Kunti-kunti lang. Kala ko hindi naka-on. Pasensya na kayo, wala akong cameraman. Hindi pa ako mayaman ngayon. Please guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe naman. Kunti-kunti. Nothing you lose when you they don't charge you. Wala kayong hindi kayo ita-charge ng ano nyo sa YouTube nyo kung magsusubscribe kayo sa akin. Okay, na. That's the dressing. Okay, now and make a salt. And herb vinegar dressing. Okay. You can use a fresh herb, mixed herb, thyme, parsley, and basil. You can put oregano if you like. Okay. This is your dressing now. Hear that? Okay, guys, this is your dressing. Where are we now? Okay, this is the dressing. This is balsamic herb dressing. This is, nakita ninyo from the scratch, paano ko ginawa. Tingnan mo yan. Kita ko sa inyo ano. Kita mo yan. Kita nyo? Okay. Sandali. I'm supposed to put I put black pepper, ground black pepper. Okay. See that? Titikman natin kung ano. Wow. It's creamy. More salt. This is the best dressing that Okay, sandali. Sina kayo wala tayong cameraman. Kaya natin i-adjust natin. Para pakita ko sa iyo talagang ano. Okay, pasensya na kayo. Ngayon i-adjust ko pa. Walang cameraman. Okay guys. This is my dressing. I'm gonna put in a shallow. Shallow container. Okay, guys, this is the herb. Kita nyo? Herb vinegar dressing. Yung ano, mamaya maggagawa ko ng salad. Itong gagamitin ng dressing. Okay. Ngayon, nakita na ninyo paano ako nagawa ng air vinegar dressing from scratch. Okay? Alam na ninyo paano. Dahan-dahan lang. Kung gusto niyo matuto, sabihin niyo lang sa akin. Mag-comments lang kayo para mag-reply ako sa inyo. I-reply ko sa inyo paano mag-ano. In every detail. I-explain ko sa inyo paano unahin. Nakita ninyo kanina. Egg yolk. And then dahan-dahan lang pag ano ng vinegar. ng vinegar. You can make a balsamic vinegar. You make the oil. You can use the oil, balsamic oil, avocado oil, so many kind of oil you can use. Like for avocado vinegar dressing. This one you can use this one. This is a herb vinegar dressing. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Nothing to lose to subscribe. Para naman matulungan nyo ko I can make more item for you guys. I wanted to share my talent from culinary art from Casey Luba channel. Don't forget. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo sa paggawa ko ng dressing ngayon from scratch. Wala tayong binili sa ano. Ang binili natin egg, tapos oil and vinegar, yun lang. Pero tayo na nagawa na. Okay? Salt, pepper, and mixed herb. Okay, maraming salamat. Don't forget, share and like and subscribe. From Casey Luba channel, this is Chef Casey. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa susunod. Until next time.